DuroMax dual fuel technology allows the freedom of operating your generator on gasoline or liquid propane. Enjoy safe, reliable power whenever and wherever you need it. Today we'll show you how to properly set up your generator for use with gas or propane. Be sure to read the manual for your exact model. Remove the shipping brace. Attach the support brackets. Attach support handles. Attach the wheel kit. Take your generator outside. Add oil. 10W30 oil is recommended. Make your fuel selection. If using gas, fill the gas tank. If using propane, connect the propane line to the generator and your propane tank. Start the engine by pushing the quick start button. That's it. Now you're ready to connect and power all your tools and devices. For more information, visit us online at DuroMaxPower.com or give us a call at 844-DuroMax. DuroMax, powering everyone, anywhere.